आदित्य धर की धुरंधर OTT पर रिलीज हो गई है, लेकिन हाँ, फैन ज्यादा खुश नहीं है। आइए जानते हैं क्यों। Well, after a phenomenal run in theaters and scoring ₹100 crore at the box office, Dhurandhar finally had its digital release on January 30. The film had a quiet debut at midnight, prompting fans to rush to the OTT to re-watch the film. और लोगों में क्रेजी इतना था कि थिएटर पे एक बार देखने के बाद लोग एक बार फिर से OTT पर देखना चाहते थे। और जिन लोगों ने सिनेमाज में नहीं देखी, अब उन्होंने इतना सुन लिया तो वो भी इस फिल्म को देखने के लिए बेताब थे। लेकिन हाँ, जिन भी लोगों ने इस फिल्म को देखना चाहा, they were not too pleased with one major difference. Well, fans noted that the film was given an A rating and was in fact censored for its OTT debut. धुरंधर censored on OTT. Well, जैसे ही फिल्म स्ट्रीम होनी स्टार्ट हुई तो सोशल मीडिया was flooded with complaints and sharp criticism from viewers, with fans accusing the streaming platform of muting dialogues, censoring abusive language and trimming off total of 10 minutes of the film. Well, they were actually fuming over the edits, and fans of the Aditya Dhar directorial took to their handles to say that they had expected an uncensored version following its theatrical run. Well, several users questioned the logic of censoring an adult film on an over 18 platform. Well, fans ने धुरंधर की सेंसरशिप पे काफी रिएक्ट किया। उन्होंने लिखा, "You certify the film as A, but you have muted censored words like we are a bunch of 5 years old or what? Everyone in this app is over 18. There is no meaning in watching a film with lots of cuts and censoring. You're just stealing the natural raw vibe from it," one viewer wrote, while another added, "Dhurandhar on Netflix with muted dialogues plus censored abuses. If OTT is not giving us the uncut version, who is?" Another wrote, "No, Dhurandhar on Net still has the gali censored. Bhai, what is the point of releasing on OTT if you censor the best parts?" Another elaborated, "A big letdown from you people. Why the hell would you censor it when everyone is expected for an uncensored version? Censoring an A-rated film itself is a joke, whereas Animal and Kabir Singh has no cuts." Another wrote, "Seriously mood off ho gaya. I was hoping for uncensored version. Some users even asked, kuch jugaad for uncensored version ke liye." Well, आपको बता दें कि the backlash was not just reserved for the muted cuss words and other edited scenes. Many even noted that the film's runtime was significantly shorter. Viewers alleged that the OTT version of the film had been trimmed by nearly 10 minutes. Dhurandhar reportedly ran for approximately 3 hours and 34 minutes in theaters, while the digital version clocks in at around 3 hours and 25 minutes. Cut version, around 10 minutes, portions deleted, one user claimed, prompting users to demand that the platform release the uncut version. Well, आपको बता दें, फिल्म के रिलीज के 8 हफ्ते बाद धुरंधर OTT पर स्ट्रीम हुई है। फिल्म दिसंबर 5 में रिलीज हुई थी और अब इसका पार्ट 2 मार्च 19 में रिलीज होगा। बल्कि आप भी इसकी सेंसरशिप से सहमत हैं तो कमेंट करके जरूर बताइएगा।
Well, अब ये तो था नेटिजन्स का कहना, लेकिन हाँ, जब हमारी टीम से खुद किसी ने धुरंधर को OTT प्लेटफॉर्म पर देखा तो उन्होंने पाया कि धुरंधर में कोई सेंसरशिप नहीं है और ये एग्जैक्ट थिएट्रिकल वर्जन है जो OTT पर स्ट्रीम हो रहा है। अब नेटिजन्स ने ऐसा क्यों कहा, ये तो वही बता सकते हैं। लेकिन हाँ, जब हमने धुरंधर का वर्जन OTT पर देखा तो धुरंधर बिल्कुल थिएट्रिकल वर्जन की थी और कोई भी सीन या कोई भी वर्ड मिसिंग नहीं था।